My name is Justin White. I am the data engineering manager at Greystone. As the data engineering manager, I am responsible for where we are going technologically, our overall strategy and architecture, and keeping us on the path of reusable and repeatable processes.
My name is Kaleb Shelton. I am the data warehouse team lead at Greystone. As the data warehouse team lead at Greystone, I'm responsible for managing a team of developers. We work on bringing data from internal and external providers into our organization. We transform and clean the data and prepare it for downstream use cases such as analytics, data science, and other master data purposes.
Greystone's primary business is servicing loans for multifamily properties. We are currently servicing nearly $100 billion in our primary and special servicing portfolios. Greystone lacked a single source of truth for managing data related to multifamily loans and properties. The company only had internal data for the loans it serviced, while the sales team needed access to comprehensive data on properties serviced by other providers and those that could be potential sales opportunities. The data needed to be sourced from multiple external providers and integrated with internal data to create a master list that could be used for strategic decision making. The fragmented nature of Greystone's data across our three core systems between sales, origination, and servicing created disconnects, especially when property attributes changed in one system but were not updated in others. This caused friction during the sales cycle and affected the accuracy of customer relationship management data.
Greystone is using Prophecy MDM to integrate and standardize data from multiple sources, both internal and external. By creating a golden record for properties, loans, and customers' relationships, Prophecy ensures that all data is accurate and consistent across the organization. The initial use case for Prophecy at Greystone is focused on reporting and analytics, with data from Prophecy feeding into the data warehouse. The next phase involves using Prophecy for operational efficiency, where internal applications will check with Prophecy before creating new records to ensure consistency across all systems. Prophecy is also enabling Greystone to move toward real-time data synchronization between applications, improving data quality and reducing the manual effort required to maintain data integrity.
As a Microsoft-centric organization, Greystone chose Prophecy for its seamless integration with Microsoft tools and technologies. Prophecy's use of the SQL Server backend and its compatibility with Microsoft Azure were key factors in our decision. The ease of use of Prophecy, particularly its SQL-based backend, allowed us to quickly onboard the solution and integrate it with our existing systems. The flexibility to control and customize the data management process was another significant advantage. At Greystone, we appreciated the proactive support from Prophecy, including quick responses to queries and the ability to troubleshoot issues through direct communication. The initial proof of concept was conducted with hands-on support from Prophecy, which helped us see the value with our own data.
With Prophecy, Greystone's relationship managers now have access to accurate and complete information about customers and properties. This enables them to make more informed, targeted sales calls, enhancing their ability to maintain client relationships and build them further. Prophecy's ability to clearly show how data is matched and standardized has built a greater trust in data across the organization. This transparency is vital for end users in the organization to trust that the data is reliable for decision making and that it's transparent and how it gets to the point that they are using it. The integration of Prophecy into Greystone's data architecture is expected to reduce manual effort and data processes across the organization. It allows for applications to all use the same high quality data. And with that, Greystone aims to streamline processes and reduce errors in where data is used. In the long term, Prophecy is expected to transform how Greystone operates and how the data architecture across the organization works. We are aiming to have more data-driven decision-making across every aspect of the business, and the strategic use of data is anticipated to enhance the overall business performance and give us a competitive edge in the market. Some lessons I've learned through this process is that you both need to have high-quality data coming into the process, as well as you need to have clear goals of what you're trying to accomplish. If I was to start this process again, I would aim to have as high-quality data in order to make sure Prophecy has the best chance of creating high quality results. Any advice for others is to structure your data in the way that you can plan for in your downstream processes and make sure you have clear goals in line for what you're trying to do with this data.
At Greystone, we learned that we can't build everything ourselves. We attempted to master data across 6 to 8 different data sources through our own SQL procedures and processes, and were not able to fully provide the value that the business needed. What we wish we had done was start sooner with a master data management tool like Prophecy to help us provide value to the business.